Today we are going to be making this beautiful Oh Baby sign from wire and thick cotton cord that will make it really stand out on your flower or leaf wall at your baby shower. You'll need a light coloured wire because it's going to go under a light coloured cord, some 9mm braided cord in white, pliers and wire cutters and a glue gun, and the font of your choice. I used Canva for this. It is going to look a lot bigger than this, but I just wanted to see exactly what it's going to look like on my A4 paper. I'm drawing on any parts that I need to be joined up, and then I'm going to mark the specific points by numbering them, planning out where the wire will turn at each stage. So that's the O done. We're going to do exactly the same for the word baby, just seeing where the points of the wires are going to be shaped and curved around, letting your future self know where to turn. If the line isn't continuous, it's a good idea to join it up like this, as the wire is continuous. There we go. A bit like dot to dot. The actual sign will be about 8 inches high, so it's going to be a lot bigger than this. Inside the 9mm cord is some thinner cord, so if that's coming out, don't worry about it. I'm going to lay it out just so I know how long to cut the cord. Then you're just going to take out the stuffing only, not the inner cord. So pull that out. Leave the inner cord inside. So just the very, very inner fibre you're going to pull out. Smooth it all back out. And the 5mm cord should still be inside, and that kind of keeps the shape of the larger cord. We're going to take our wire then and pop into the middle cord and just push it through. This can be time consuming, but it is actually a lot easier than just using the 5mm cord for some reason. If you see some of my other videos, I'm usually using 5mm cord, which is the one inside this thicker cord. And then when you come to the end, you're just going to chop that bit off with your scissors. Pop some glue on the end of the wire, just a tiny bit, so it's not too messy. You want it to be really, really neat. Cover that over. Being really careful not to burn your fingers. You can also use your pliers for this. Next, we're going to take the outer cord and pretty much do exactly the same thing. So dab that glue inside. Fold that fabric over the end. Shape it around really nice and neatly. You can trim any bits that are coming out. We're going to follow the shape of the O, starting from number 1 and going round to 2. Nice and curvy. Making it exactly that lovely shape that you've got on your font. And then onto the H now. At the bottom of the H is a harsh bend. You want to use your pliers. Clamp the whole thing together. So closing that space, which will make it really nice and neat. When you're happy, just take the wire cutters and cut the end, and then cut the cord that you need with your scissors. And then do exactly the same as what you did at the start with your glue gun. And then pop the outer cord over and then glue that up. Give it a little trim, and there is your first word. How pretty! The second word, baby, is going to be exactly the same technique. So just have fun here, have a little play, and remember those harsh bends. You want to really clamp them together so they look really nice and neat. There we go. How pretty. I love this so much, and I really hope you give it a go yourself. It's relatively cheap and so easy and effective. If you like this video, you're going to absolutely love this video, so I'll see you there.